They got me again. I was putting up my Christmas lights and realized I needed a few more red. We decided to do red and white this year, so I had to order a few more red ClassiColor light bulbs. So I think that's what I have here. I ordered a few of the new things that they have. So we'll just open this up and see what we got. Good packaging again. Everything looks like it's in good shape. There's not as much in here, so they have a lot of packaging. Oh, I didn't realize I ordered the Sputnik ones. Cool. They were a little more expensive. I guess I left them in there. All right, we got a sticker. So I just picked up some red and white boxes. We'll go through those real quick. And some of the Starlights sparkled with stardust. I forgot I ordered these, actually. So let's look through them real quick. So I've got some ClassiColor white, only had a few white left, so I have to add those. I guess I did not order red. See, I should pay more attention. White and red C7s. And so let's look at what we have here and check all of this new stuff out. And I'm going to use the C7 set that is the ClassiColor in this gift box. I purchased this last year and I haven't gone through it or even opened it yet. So it's kind of a good chance to show you the box because all of these have pretty cool packaging. And so everything here I bought myself. So nothing sponsored or anything. I just, if you followed my channel, know I think these are pretty cool. And I put a lot of Christmas lights on my house and we're in the process of doing that right now. But we're taking a little bit of time off because we got this package today. So let's open up this light set real quick. So here's the light set, ClassiColor 25. These are C7, just 15 watts total. Does have that kind of vintage look when you open it and you can see all of the colors. Orange, blue, white, and red are part of this set. On the back, just pretty basic, shows you what you have. So let's open it up, see how it comes out. There we go, all together. So I'm gonna pull out some of these. It has the green cord. I'm gonna use just half of them. So let's pull these out. Oh, these are not easy. We are plugged in and these are on. These look pretty cool. I already have a whole bunch of colors like this. The nice thing with this is it comes with the cord and with the lights. These are the C7 variety. So here's what's on the box. Some cool, there's the picture, 3 pieces it goes on. A Sputnik style for year-round fun. You put the bulb in there and then you'll put it together. And so that's what we did, but ours actually came with the 2 pieces already connected. So that's pretty easy. There's a little bit of a looseness to it, I'll be honest, but I don't, you know, if you're not moving it, it's gonna be all right. So let's try this red one real quick. So it looks like that goes like that. We'll come back when it's dark and we'll show you what it looks like. But there you go, there's the red. Bulbs work. So after a year of not using this, all of the bulbs are working. And this one, all right, push it up, just snap it in, there we go. So here we have the Sputnik little things. I have to find a use for these. I'll have to go online and see what they're used for.